Processor, chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, Dimensity 9500 series, highly plausible. Leaks confirm the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Gen 6 by late 2026, and the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 are the flagship chips for 2026 devices, offering massive performance and AI boosts. RAM and storage 12, 16GB, LPDDR6 RAM 256GB, 500 UFS 4.0 storage. Highly plausible. LPDDR6 RAM is confirmed by Samsung to debut in 2026, and UFS 4.0 is already standard, with UFS 4.1 or 5.0 expected to be adopted in 2026 flagships for faster read-write speeds. Display 6.7-inch, 6.8 LTPO AMOLED 15K or 2K resolution, 144Hz highly plausible. 144Hz and 2K LTPO AMOLED are the top-tier display standards for 2026, offering variable refresh rate for superior battery life and smoothness. Rear camera, Tetra, 108 megapixels or 200 megapixel primary OIS plus 50 megapixel ultra-wide plus 12 megapixel periscope, 5x zoom, very plausible. 200 megapixel sensors are becoming common, and a periscope lens with 5x optical zoom is a key flagship differentiator that Realme often includes in its top models, like the GT series. Front camera, 32 megapixels or 50 megapixel punch hole, plausible. 32 megapixels current, but 50 megapixel front cameras are expected to become the new standard in 2026 flagships for advanced AI photography. Battery and charging 5500 mAh to 6000 mAh, 120 watts to 150 watt, wired charging, highly plausible. 5500 mAh, 6000 mAh is the trend for long-lasting flagships, and 120 watts to 150 watt charging is standard for Realme and sister brands, capable of a 0 to 100% charge in under 20 minutes. Operating system Android 16, Realme UI 7.0 or newer, 100% true chronology. As the phone is assumed to launch in 2026, it will run on Android 16, which will be the stable OS release in that year. Connectivity 6G, early hardware support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC plausible. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 are current near-future standards. While 6G is not expected to be fully deployed, flagship chips in 2026, like Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Dimensity 9500, will likely include the modem hardware for early 6G trials, compatibility,